नमस्कार मित्रांनो, today we are going to see fundamental circuit for alternating quantity. There are three fundamental circuit. One is pure resistive, then pure inductive and pure capacitive. So first of all we will see AC through pure resistance. See here, there is one pure resistor which is connected to AC supply, whose value is V is equal to Vm sin omega t. And because of this voltage, current I will start flowing through this resistance. So first of all we will find what is I. So I is nothing but V by R, simple Ohm's law. Okay, and therefore it will comes as Vm sin omega t by R. And this I is maximum when sin omega t is 1. Okay, I is maximum when sin omega t is 1, and therefore we can replace this Vm by R with Im. So I will become Im sin omega t. Therefore we have derived current relation for this. Now if you observe the both equation, V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t. So both the equations are exactly same. That means they will walk hand in hand, or they will attain the maximum value at the same time. Okay, because both are following the pure sine wave, sin omega t and sin omega t. See, sin omega t and sin omega t. So we can say that the phase difference phi between voltage and current is 0. Phase difference between voltage and current is 0, and therefore power factor of this circuit is cos phi is equal to 1, because cos 0 is 1, and that's why this circuit is called as unity power factor circuit. If we plot the graph sine wave of voltage, this is my voltage waveform, and current waveform also follow the same cycle as that of voltage. So both are attempting maximum at the same time and 0 at the same time. That's why the phase difference between these two is 0. Similarly, we can draw the phasor diagram. If we draw the phasor diagram, the voltage phasor lie on x-axis and current phasor also lie on the same line without any phase difference. Okay, so this is a common point for both. So they are on the same reference line, V and I. They will rotate simultaneously to attain the maximum value as well as the 0 value. Now what is power for this sine wave? Power is what? If you want to find instantaneous power, P is equal to V into I. So you can write this as Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t, and therefore you can find Vm Im sin square omega t. Here we can find average power as 0 to 2 pi small p dt d omega t divided by base is 2 pi, and further if you solve this, it is 0 to 2 pi. We can substitute here Vm Im sin square omega t d omega t. Okay, instead of sin square omega t we have to put 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. So 1 by 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 d omega t. And solving further, at the end we will get P average is equal to Vm Im by 2, or you can write Vm by root 2 Im by root 2, and this will give me V into I, that is P is equal to V into I, RMS value of voltage into RMS value of current. is my power. This we can prove by alternatively, as you know the power formula. Power is given by VI cos phi. Here cos phi is unity that we have already proved. So P is equal to V into I. This is another way to find the power in resistive circuit. Even we can prove it graphically. Okay, here you can see voltage into current, both are positive, so your power waveform will be positive. Okay, here voltage is negative, current is negative, and that's why power is again positive. V into I will be positive, which proves that in resistance power is always positive, or resistance only takes the power. It is the power consuming element. It takes the power and dissipate in the form of heat. Okay, it never returns power to the supply. That's all for AC through pure resistance. Thank you.